Hello, everybody. Welcome to Block 9 to 9. If you didn't subscribe yet, please subscribe, like, and share the video. Also, leave a comment. You can see our garden is very dry. We could not, I always have the same ladies to water the garden, but since we are curing blocks this week, we could not water the garden. I must still take out the weeds from the grass here. We're also growing grass here. It helps during rainy season because it gets so wet, and in December it's going to be rainy season again. Before we know it, it's going to be rainy season. That's why we are busy trying to build our fence before November. We have a lot of activities on today's Thursday. Busy with a lot of activities on a Thursday. Martha and her friend there, busy. We do the washing on a Thursday. Let me say sorry because I'm approaching the noise. Please, apologies for that. Sorry for the noise. Yeah, our washing line is it's broken, so they are just putting the washing on the grass there. That is not a train smash. So getting water again from the well to do the washing. So Martha is in a hurry to finish. Martha wants to finish because when she's finished there, she's coming. We're going to cook. Hey, Martha? When you're finished there, we're going to cook. When you finish, yeah. So, yeah, that's why she's in a hurry. And as you can see, the vlogs, they are still okay. We for cooking, we have a cooked meal every lunchtime. Um, in Malawi, we have sima, like um, maize flour sima. I think the hubby has shown a video once about the sima that we eat for lunch. So every lunchtime we have a cooked meal. And now we're at the noisy part, but I just wanted to show you this morning we had the blocks cured again, so we've done again so for lunch and later this afternoon. Like I said, this week I couldn't put water on the grass, the garden, didn't get water. But my hubby bought a pipe, a house pipe, and then we will be watering now, so that I don't bother the ladies like that. They have a lot of work for water. When people are boring, that's their job. Sometimes people come and ask them, so at least for the garden, I don't have to bother them. So for me to have asked them again this week for the garden, it was a lot of drums and drums. So I could not go ask them to water the garden. So, as you can see, the blocks, they are still curing. Again this morning, hopefully I had some corridors thrown here again on the side, on the edges here, and the water is staying. That is very good for your water. Water is actually very important for curing your blocks. Your blocks need to be engulfed in water for at least a week. Then you know you have strong blocks. It doesn't matter that you molded your block nicely and perfect and then you think it's done. It doesn't end there. You have to cure your blocks with water. That is going to determine the strength of your block. If you don't cure your blocks, they will be no good. They will be like cookies, crumble all over the place. You have to cure your blocks with water. I'm actually walking on the blocks now to the other side. stepping on them. Yeah, they are pretty strong now. The weight is, I think we might even be able to stop curing them, but we just want to have strong blocks. So we'll still continue to cure them. So there's a lot of activity here. We're also trying to grow grass. So they also didn't get water this week. Look at how dry this poor plant is here. So we are busy with Operation Fence, and the builders came in yesterday, and now we are busy with like I said, we want to throw concrete the size. This is, they are busy laying the foundation now, because now we're going to have a veranda here in front of the workshop. It's going to be here, and on top there's going to be a balcony right on top, from there to there. So that is what we are also busy with. I don't know. We have to discuss though. And there's also the guys are busy with the work outside. For now, it's very busy. We have to improvise. But yeah, we don't stop working. Tomorrow they're going to throw the concrete cement for the veranda. So we still have to discuss if we're going to work tomorrow or how we're going to do it. But it's going to happen tomorrow. The veranda is going to be laid, and in future we're going to do the balcony on top there. We're going to do the balcony. So that's, look how busy there. Oh, the boulder is busy throwing his concrete. Maybe I should just go around and show you a bit of what he's doing and how he's doing it. And I think they will also lay the blocks today for this. So on this side, this is the workshop side from here to there. And on top there, it's going to be our offices. And that side there, we're having the gym for the guys. If they feel like after work they can relax. That window there is going to be our office. There's an area there that's going to be the office. I think we've done a video on that. And then this is the kitchen. There's the kitchen door. So this is where we will be doing cooking for the guys, because we do give our workers a cooked meal every day, so they don't have to worry about lunch. We do cook for them every day. So I just zoomed in a little what the boulder is doing there. So we're doing little by little progress every day. Every time when there's a little funds, we decide where we will locate it to. So he's busy doing his mixture here. We're not throwing our foundation this side for now, because we're going to do paving. We're going to do nice pavers on this side for the kitchen, from there to there. He's doing the mixing for the foundation. So let me just take you to the folder. I'll just go around. So this is pretty exciting. We are just excited with every little progress that is happening. So, and also you can see the guys, they're also busy welding. They are not mostly wearing their work suits because of, like I said, today is washing day, and we also have their work suits washed for them. So that is why they just use any top. So our boulder is being very accurate. Once everything is done straight, we just came now. So yeah. So I don't know. I'm still thinking how we're going to do it tomorrow because obviously when the cement is going to be thrown, it's going to be wet, and then it will be hard for us to go in and out the workshop. So we will still decide on that how. But I know my heart always has a plan. The boulder is another one we use. Other one for the building. He gave us his contact, but when we tried to get hold of him, we could not get hold of him, so we just had to find another boulder. But so far, so good. Yes, it is happening. So we will show you, we will update you again the progress tomorrow of our veranda project. The gate. I was voicing my concerns to my hubs yesterday about the gate. It is a good width, but I'm just like all the time here when our customers come to collect their machines, and sometimes their drivers they turn too wide and almost hit the pillars. So my hub said, like I say, you always have a plan, always has a plan. He said that what we're going to do when the gate is up, we will just have them to collect outside. They're not going to come in. So yeah, it's going to work. So next time we're going to build here our fence. We do everything little by little. That is our update for today. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and share the video. Leave a comment, and thank you for watching. Bye.